In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive dividend payments on Etoro. By the end, you'll know exactly how dividends work on the platform, how to make sure you're eligible to receive them, and what to do with the cash when it lands in your account. First, dividends are simply cash distributions that some companies and ETFs pay to their shareholders, usually on a regular schedule. To receive them on Etoro, you need to own dividend-paying stocks or ETFs in your portfolio. You can quickly check whether a company pays dividends by opening its profile in Etoro and reviewing the financials or dividend section, or by searching the company name with the word dividends online. While you're there, look at the dividend yield and payout history to understand what's typical for that company, and remember that yields can change over time based on price and company policies. Next, timing is critical. Make sure you hold the shares before the ex-dividend date. This is the cutoff set by the company. If you buy on or after the ex-dividend date, you won't receive the upcoming payout. If you're placing an order close to that date, ensure it fills in time. Market orders generally fill immediately during market hours, while limit orders might not execute if the price doesn't reach your target. Also be aware that on the ex-dividend date, share prices often drop by roughly the dividend amount, which is normal market behavior. If you own fractional shares on Etoro, you'll typically receive a proportional dividend based on your fraction. On the payment date, Etoro will automatically credit the dividend as cash to your account balance. There's nothing you need to claim or click. You should see a transaction entry in your account history showing the company, the amount, and the date. Keep in mind that dividends may be subject to taxes or withholding depending on your country and the stock's domicile, and currency conversion may apply if the dividend is paid in a different currency than your account. Once the cash arrives, you have two simple choices. You can withdraw it to your bank, following Etoro's standard withdrawal process, or you can manually reinvest it by buying more shares of the same stock or diversifying into other assets. Reinvesting can help compound your returns over time, but choose what aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Also, make sure you're holding the underlying stock or ETF, not a CFD, as dividend treatment can differ for derivatives. That's it. Own eligible shares before the ex-dividend date, wait for the payment date, and then use the cash in the way that suits you best.